Okay, so Lacey, I wanted to show you a couple of tricks that I figured out while trying to make these fact spreadsheets. So here's you went ahead and you've gone to the website and you've downloaded some company names and their fax numbers. You already know how to do that. Now here's some of the tricks. Go to the top left-hand corner where the two top gray bars intersect and left-click there. What that does is it highlights in blue everything. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Format and then click on row, and then click on height, and the number that'll be in there is probably 12.75. What you want to do is you want to change that to 50. What that does is it makes all the squares larger, or the rectangles, whatever you want to call them. If you want to create a little bit more space there, you can. So now the next thing you want to do is highlight the two categories, the company names and the fax numbers, and align them to the right. Align them to the right, and then boom, there they are. They're over to the right. So now here's another one of the tricks, is that you then go into the first company and you put in what we want to add, the OCALA, and then it's 1-4- and then name of the company. And then you go over to the fax number and do the same thing. You do *671 and then the fax number. Okay, so now you know all that part. I just showed you how to expand the boxes. So that's the only new thing thus far. But now let me show you the next trick. Now that you have these big fat boxes, makes it a lot easier to highlight the Ocala 1-4-, highlight it, copy it, and then just go down the row of companies. Double click on the next row, and then hit Control V. And what will happen is you'll see Ocala 1-4- name of the company for the second level. And then just keep doing that. Go down the next level, the third level, and double left click, and Control V. Go to the next level, double left click, Control V. Double click, Control V, double click, Control V. Oops, made a mistake, so I'll undo that, but I'll double click, Control V, double click, Control V. Just keep going down the whole row of companies until you have double click Control V on all of them. So then when you've done that, then go back up to the fax side and do the exact same thing. Highlight the *671 on the top one that you've changed manually, and then hit copy, and then go down the line on all the fax numbers. Get that out of the way. All the fax numbers. Double click, Control V, double click, Control V, double click, Control V, double click, Control V. So now I'm just running down the whole row. And because of these little tricks, I can, in about a half an hour to 45 minutes, do about 200 of these. So it goes much, much faster. So hopefully that's helpful info. And look forward to talking to you soon. Take care now. Bye.